Cornwall's beauty and stunning landscapes mask a bleak reality. We face an ecological and climate crisis with much of our local nature in decline. Wild places have become too small and disconnected, pushing our wildlife to the brink. Cornwall is their home too, but unless we act now, some species could be lost forever. At Helman Nature Reserve in the heart of Cornwall, we've been given a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to help nature thrive again. An area of land next to the reserve has come up for sale. Together, we want to buy this site and transform it into a wildlife haven, rich in woodland and wetland habitats that capture carbon and give wildlife room to roam and be protected for generations to come. The additional land at Helman will lay the foundations for the largest nature recovery project in Cornwall. We want to reintroduce beavers and large herbivores to restore balance, allowing nature to look after itself. And you can make this all possible. Nature can recover. We just need to give it a chance. Please donate today. Thank you.